simple is next, yeah.
Welcome, faculty, students, and guests. Please be seated. Good morning. My name is Sandy Urazaev, and I'm graduating today with my bachelor's degree in computer science. And standing here, I realized what people meant my freshman year by Jayhawks flying out of the nest. It all seemed so distant and abstract, almost unthinkable. And today, this is us. We are the Jayhawks, nurtured and cared for by our nest, consisting of our professors, peers, teaching assistants, tutors, friends, and family. And I ask myself, is this already time for us to go? For the whole last semester, I've been thinking to myself about how far we've come. Just this morning, I looked around at familiar faces, and I saw plenty of happiness, joy, and pride. Yet, I also noticed subtle tones of fear and uncertainty. The uncertainty I can relate so closely to, of what is to come. What is life like after college? Because for so long, university life feels like it's everything we've ever known. And after a long time of thought, I found peace. I don't know what exactly we'll be doing in 10 years or 1 year from now. Well, not even what we'll be doing tomorrow. But I do know one thing. No matter where we go or where life takes us, one thing is for sure. Us listening to our hearts, following our dreams, and staying true to ourselves, we will be living the lives that we have yearned for so long. And it is in itself already worth everything we'll be working so hard toward. I want all of you to believe that I want you to believe and know that you deserve everything you wish to do and aspire to be. By wearing that cap and regalia, you have already shown the resolve and determination of your spirit. Never forget about the compassion of your friends and the support of your families that got you here. It is our turn to welcome the new generation and pass the torch of the youth. It is time for a new chapter, a new life. Today marks the day when we have to spread our wings, full of courage and hope, and march into the future that awaits. And let me ask you, are you ready to live? Thank you. I would now like to introduce Charu Srivatsa, President of the Graduate Engineering Association, for the presentation of Graduate Student Awards.
Thank you, Sandy. My name is Charu Srivatsa, and I'm President of the Graduate Engineering Association. Each spring, faculty in the school nominate a graduate student who has exceeded the expectations of a researcher in engineering. I would now like to introduce the students selected as the most outstanding graduate student researchers at the master's and doctoral level in their department or program. This honor is based on academic and research performance as well as involvement in the School of Engineering and the community. As I call your name, please come forward and be recognized. Bioengineering, Mustafa Abdel Aziz. Aparna Raghavachar Chakravarti. Chemical and Petroleum Engineering, Ankit Vama. Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, Grant Jurgensen. And Charles Moore. Mechanical Engineering, Michael Kitchen. And Amin Ezazi. Once again, congratulations. These graduate students are finalists for the most outstanding master's and doctoral student researchers in the School of Engineering. This year's recipients were selected by a committee of graduate engineering students. This year's Outstanding Master's Researcher Award is presented to Grant Jurgensen in the Electrical Engineering and Computer Science. Jurgensen's work focuses on remote attestation, which allows a system to learn about and establish trust in a remote system that it cannot directly access. He's a leader in his lab, a great mentor to younger students, and always willing to help with challenging problems. After graduation, he plans to join the Crestel Institute, one of the world's premier formal methods research laboratories. Please join me in congratulating this year's recipient of the Graduate Award for the most outstanding master student researcher in the School of Engineering, Grant Jurgensen. I would now like to present the award for the most outstanding doctoral student researcher in the School of Engineering. This year's award goes to Amin Ezazi, a PhD graduate in mechanical engineering. Amin was selected for his research productivity and his scholarly excellence. He posted a 4.0 GPA and received an honors distinction for his dissertation defense. With his advisor, he authored 12 papers and received 4 patents. He also volunteered at Lawrence High School, giving interviews about STEM careers and in a summer engineer camp for high school students. Please join me in congratulating this year's recipient of the Graduate Award for the most outstanding doctoral student researcher in the School of Engineering, Amin Ezazi. I would now like to introduce Cody Howard to present this year's outstanding graduating seniors and student selected faculty award winners. Thank you.
Thank you, Charu. I'm Cody Howard, Director of PR for the School of Engineering, pinch hitting today for the President of Engineering Student Council, Eli Johannesson. It's an honor. I am here today to announce the students selected as the most outstanding seniors in their graduate programs at the undergraduate level. This honor is based on academic success, service to the School of Engineering, and leadership at the University of Kansas. Awardees, as I call your name, please move to the front of the stage and remain there until all students have been called. Please hold your applause until all names have been called. Aerospace Engineering, Julian Moreno. Architectural Engineering, Adam Mock. Chemical Engineering, Aaron Sturd. Civil Engineering, Sydney Crandall. Computer Engineering, Caitlin Blackburn. Computer Science, Melanie Shoney. Electrical Engineering, Jennifer Quirk. Engineering Physics, Sandhya Ravi Kumar. Interdisciplinary Computing, Janelle Gamble. Mechanical Engineering, Rhett Phillips. Petroleum Engineering, Jackson Rogers. Congratulations to these outstanding seniors and thank you for your service to the school. I would now like to present the Sammy and Carl Locke Award for Outstanding Senior in the School of Engineering. This award was established in 2002 by former Dean of School of Engineering Carl Locke and his wife Sammy. This award is based on the students' academic performance in addition to their involvement in the School of Engineering. The recipient was decided by a committee of student representatives from Engineering Student Council representing multiple departments in the School of Engineering. This year's Sammy and Carl Locke Award is given to a student known as an outstanding role model for current and future generations of engineers who leads by example through improving the performance of the teams on which they participate. This student has earned recognition for exceptional academic performance and active contributions to novel research while garnering the respect of faculty, staff, and peer students through noted individual and collaborative team efforts in research, community building, and service. Working with faculty on research that centers on increasingly autonomous flight unmanned systems, this student has proven to be extremely capable, passionate, and productive. Please join me in congratulating this year's recipient of the Carl and Sammy Locke Award, aerospace engineering student Julian Moreno. I would now like to present the Henry E. Gould Awards for Excellence in Undergraduate Teaching and Excellence in Undergraduate Advising. The recipients were chosen by a student committee of representatives from each department. First up, Excellence in Undergraduate Teaching. The qualities sought in the outstanding educator are a professor who makes him or herself available to students, creates a teaching environment that allows students to learn, actively participates in their education, and facilitates student achievement. This year's award goes to a teacher described as always prepared and abundantly available. In class, this professor's handout problems cover that day's material, enabling students to work through examples and get help during class before moving on to homework. Outside of class, this professor has an open door policy for office hours and is available via messaging on Teams anytime students need help. This faculty member adjusted courses to meet the needs of students and is adaptable with the changing course formats. It is my honor to award this year's Gould Award for Teaching to Josh Roundy, Associate Professor in Civil, Environmental, and Architectural Engineering. The award for Excellence in Undergraduate Advising goes to the KU School of Engineering faculty or staff member who demonstrates excellence outside the classroom by making him or herself available to students for academic, professional, and personal advice, or by supporting and encouraging student organizations. This year's Gould Award for Advising goes to a School of Engineering staff member who's known as one of the most helpful resources in the school. She makes students feel comfortable talking with her, and her advice is greatly valued. She brings a positive energy to the school and is always willing to help. It is my pleasure today to present the Gould Award for Academic Advising to Bhargavi Krishnan, Academic Advisor in Chemical and Petroleum Engineering. Congratulations to all today's awards recipients, including the outstanding seniors and faculty, the graduating class of 2022. I wish you the best of luck in all your endeavors. It is my pleasure to introduce the Dean of the School of Engineering, Dr. Arvind Agha.
Thanks, Cody. Can you guys hear us okay on that side of the... I don't think you guys can hear us. Okay. So faculty are lucky; they don't have to listen to me on these remarks. Welcome to the home of, I guess, national champions. Welcome to the unair-conditioned home of national championships. On behalf of the faculty of the School of Engineering, I'm honored to welcome you to the Spring 2022 School of Engineering Recognition Award. This marks our first in-person spring ceremony in 3 years. It's wonderful to be together with all of you today to collectively celebrate the achievement of our graduates. Today, we honor those receiving degrees from the KU School of Engineering. We have several university and School of Engineering administrators here today to share in this celebration. They will join the greeting line later in the ceremony to congratulate the graduates. I asked them as I called their name to please stand, although I don't think they'll hear me, and ask them to remain standing until all introductions are done. So please hold your applause. Jennifer Roberts, Vice Provost for Academic Affairs. Mario Medina, Associate Dean for Academic Affairs. Elena Satfi, Associate Dean for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion. Candon Tamler, Associate Dean for Research. Rick Hell, Chair of Aerospace Engineering. Ken Fisher, Director of Bioengineering. Susan Williams, Chair of Chemical and Petroleum. Dave Darwin, Chair of Civil, Environmental, Architectural Engineering. Eric Parrish, Chair of Electrical Engineering. Tom Bolin, Engineering Management. Chris Fisher, Director of Engineering Physics. Heather McCain, Project Management. And Lisa Fries, Chair of Mechanical Engineering. I don't think it's working. Graduates, I think it's safe to say that your experience has been unlike any other class in school's history. Earning an engineering degree under normal circumstances is not a simple undertaking. It requires focus, perseverance, and a lot of hard work. To arrive at this day, in the midst of all the additional challenges that come with a global pandemic, is a special achievement, and you should be exceedingly proud of what you have accomplished. We're here to honor changed lives, profound success, and new horizons. Today represents a milestone on an academic journey you began many years ago. You have helped raise the profile of the KU School of Engineering as a world-class institution. We know your family and friends are very proud of your accomplishments and will continue to expect great things from you. Many of them are here today to celebrate this day with you. Each of them, in some way, no doubt, played a crucial role in your transformation. And it is important for us to pause and recognize them. They have shown guidance and support, including financial support and endurance. Would parents, grandparents, and other family friends please wave to be recognized? There is another group that many years ago made a decision to be part of your education. This group has worked tirelessly and is proud of you today of your success. Our faculty and staff have the many demands of their position, but their first call is one of dedication to learning and service of our students. Would the faculty and staff in the School of Engineering please wave and be recognized? Yet another group has been there for you, even though you may not know them by name, our KU Engineering alumni. Our alumni provide valuable support to enhance the education experience for students at KU. They play a role in maintaining the excellent world-class reputation KU Engineering has in Kansas and around the globe. Would all the KU alumni please wave to be recognized? As you go out to lead successful careers, I ask you that you remember what KU Engineering alumni have done for you, and that you emulate not only their drive to succeed, but their passion for and loyalty to School of Engineering. As graduates, you're now our alumni too, part of a powerful worldwide network that strengthens KU. Graduates, you have worked hard. The engineering curriculum you've completed was not easy, and the hours were at times long. But the hard work has been worth it. There have been many good times, and there are special relationships that were formed during these years that will always be part of your life. Each of you has different plans as you leave KU. Some will remain nearby, perhaps Kansas City or Wichita. Others will travel to the far reaches of the world. Keep in mind and be proud that you always carry the banners of the University of Kansas and the KU School of Engineering. As you look to the future, I encourage you to never stop learning, never striving to better yourself, and to give back to your family and society. Let me say in closing that if you set your aim high and stretch yourself, you will do more than you can imagine, and you will succeed. Congratulations to each of you, and rock chalk.
We will now recognize each graduating master's and doctoral students. We have a professional photographer on hand to take pictures of each graduate as their name is called. I would now like to introduce Associate Dean Elena Sutley, who will read the names of the graduating master's and doctoral students.
It is my pleasure to introduce all graduate students. As we recognize each graduate, please hold your applause until all students in each major have been announced. In the Department of Aerospace Engineering with a Doctorate of Philosophy, Rohit Girdhar. Saket Gauravaram. Ankur Patil. Arno Prenslow, with a Master's of Science in Aerospace Engineering, Justin Matt. Aerospace Engineering. Oh, don't I hear that word? Okay. Andrew Rios. Okay. With a Doctorate of Philosophy in Civil Engineering, we have Louis Nazal. Haider Al-Salih. Omar Mali. With a Doctorate of Philosophy in Bioengineering. Wait. We have Aparna Chakravarti. Nolan Norton. And with a Master of Engineering in Bioengineering, we have Alyssa Curry. With Masters of Science in Bioengineering, we have Victoria Droppel. Victoria Blackwood. Zakur Unkrama. Diego Chavez. With Doctorate of Philosophy in Chemical and Petroleum Engineering, we have Matthew Stalka. Ankit Verm. Anup Utragarkar. Simon Velskazov. With a Master's of Science in Chemical Engineering, we have Duna Rajapaska. Jane Wong. Ethan Finberg. Sadiq Sharif Mohammed. Hashim Al-Zarani. With a Master's of Science in Computer Science, we have Andre Elliott. Ricardo Brian Quiroz Jara. Grant Jurgensen. With a Master's of Science in Petroleum Engineering, we have Sanjajov Molamjov.
Masters Information Technology, Purna Chandra Sunanda Gopal. Information Technology.
I think another switch. With a Master's of Science in Information Technology, we have Purna Chandra Gopal. With a Master's of Science in Mechanical Engineering, we have Rangit Gopal. With a PhD, with a Doctorate of Philosophy in Civil Engineering, we have Mamdo Mohammed. With a Master's of Science in Architectural Engineering, we have Allah Alhaj Isa. Rama Bakir. Samantha Tom. With a Master of Civil Engineering, we have Delaney Snyder. Helen Vayner. Eslam Elatar. With a Master's of Science in Civil Engineering, we have Haley Solomon. Yasmin Al-Jawad. Mubarak Al-Sharadi. Gregory Bedros. Grant Martin. Conrado Sacco. Michael Heinsman. Patrick Sullivan. Crystal Laleli Solomona Schwartz. With a Master's of Science in Environmental Engineering, we have Cheyenne Hillman. Anthony Pham. With a Doctorate of Philosophy in Computer Science, we have Blake Bryan. With a Master's of Science in Electrical Engineering, we have Chanaka Samarathanga. Christian Daniel. Anushka Bhattacharya. Wang Mai. With a Master's of Science in Information Technology, we have Cindy Keith. Taylor Kilkenny. Shubham Sini. Muhammad Duray. Brayson Christopher. Tyler Shunk. Cecilia Horan. With the Masters of Science in Engineering Management, Curtis Campbell. Cassandra Bird. With the Masters of Science in Project Management, Todd Jensen. Katie Fuller. Eric Vasquez. Amber Oliveira. James Graves. With a Doctor of Philosophy in Mechanical Engineering, Bailey Ann Spickler. Shasud Alam. Charu Vikram Srivatska. Amin Azazi. With the Masters of Science in Mechanical Engineering, Nathaniel Metzger. David Depew. Jessica Kirchner. And Michael Kitchen. Please join me in congratulating all of our students earning master's and doctoral degrees. And I'd now like to invite Dean Aga back to the podium to announce the Miller Awards.
We also want to take a few moments to recognize faculty members making exceptional commitments to the university and our students. At this time, it is my pleasure to announce the Miller Awards. The Miller Professional Development Award for Research recognizes a faculty member who has made exceptional contribution to their area of research. This year, we're proud to honor a professor whose research is widely published and highly respected by peers, has attracted millions of dollars in research funding, is an active, attentive mentor of grad students. The professor's research area is secure, high-assurance embedded systems, which are critical to our day-to-day lives and mostly invisible unless they fail. The University of Kansas School of Engineering is proud to present Professor Hee-Chol Yoon with the 2022 Miller Professional Development Award. The Miller Professional Development Award for Service recognizes a faculty member for their involvement and service outside the classroom. This year, we're proud to honor a professor whose high-impact service activities benefit the engineering profession and boost KU's national reputation. This professor's recent service achievements, including serving in various editor roles for numerous publications and co-chairing an international conference. The University of Kansas School of Engineering is proud to honor Professor Huazhang Fang with the 22 Miller Professional Service Award. Huazhang Fang? Huazhang Fang. Congratulations to all our award winners. Now we will call the names of undergraduates earning degrees in all majors. At this time, I would like to welcome Associate Deans Medina and Tamiler to call the names for undergraduate earning degrees in all majors. Associate Dean Tamiler will begin.
Now we will recognize students completing Bachelor of Science degree. Aerospace Engineering. Thank you. Julian Marcos Moreno. Samuel Ross. Brennan Michael Whitley. Amanda White. Vishwas Sharma. Patrick Wen. Spencer Williams. Julia Elizabeth Madison. Achal Patel. Alex Julian Zugazagoitia. Owen Gordon. Jalen Rashard Wilson. Nicholas Burkhardt. David Thorne. Scott Wilson Rosa. Julian Henry Garcia. Diego Nicolas Gomez Del Val. Ramin Bahir. Chailing Chan. Garen Patrick McKenna. Jackson Lee Schneider. Isaac Beach. Justin Clough. Ethan Parker Taylor. Ethan Andrew Jacobs. Ethan Wiseman. Ethan John Bagues. Ethan Charles Buglaw. Hayden Dietz Brown. Justin Myers. Gregory Alexander Kipp. Sean Hennessy. Alexander James Hayden. Henry Joseph Yost. Now we will welcome Chemical and Petroleum Engineering. Chemical Engineering, Nicholas Miller. Kalena Nicole. Larissa Del Carmen Medina Marquez. Katie Martinez Reynaga. Aaron Jo. Jason Hamming Kim. Emnu Gosman. Ty Star Honor. Rihanna Elizabeth Roth. Justin Letinan. Aaron Sturt. Jackson Mayuga. Evan Ashley Swetlak. Sarah Shaifur. Catherine Winan Bu. Sarah Grass. Piper Elizabeth Rogers. Sophie Smith. Larissa Wells. Hurtle, Amanda Hurtle. Katie Tom Mahwang. Teresa Leiko Saroka. Hanin Altameme. Catherine McNaughton. William Maxfield Stefman. Jacqueline Tolls. Edin Tahtesi. Brian Collins. Great Melinda Olson. Melvin Santosa. Arina Marie Williams. Anne Wildfonk. Emma Perkins. Alicia Bell. Hannah Flores. Jessica Beckman. Mary Young. Vivian Yadistira. Elijah Hare. Alejandra Trocanis. Devin Askew. Ethan Kopman. Corbin Copsey. Austin Cole Hibbler. Natalian Green. Abigail Law. Connor Drew Ekstrom. Ryan Mohammadi. Brian Kirchhoff. Nahwin Win. Pierre Moore. Mojere Al-Hajira. Cassandra Bright. We will recognize petroleum engineering. Drake Hunter. Clayton Rena Ipinda Bangalai. Hassam Ashati. Jackson Thomas Rogers. Arwa Al-Fari. Halema Nasir Awad. Razen Alzami. Sultan Khalid Alotawi. Muhammad Abdallah Said Salim Al-Ketbi. Now we will recognize civil, environmental, and architectural engineering. We will start with architectural engineering. Adam Moik. Nathaniel Taiman. Jonah Robert Smith. Tyler Rodiger. Claire Fairchild. Megan Catlett. Courtney Ann Wan. Kristen Foley. John Strebel. Hayden North. Hannah England. Abigail Ann Rodmanish. Corey Michael James Thompson. Joseph Carlton Bornflet. Noah Andrew Bites. Colin Hartle. Jonathan Hankins. Shelby Arieta. Jenna Persich. Scott Skopmeyer. Tony Danny England. Margaret Grace Morgan. Kathleen North. Jessica Diem. Marcus Kyle Depressed. Kyle John Angel Lochi. Noah Ingram. Jareen Malaya Daili. Parker Bill. Elizabeth Davidson. Now we will recognize civil engineering. Sydney Carandel. Ashley Elizabeth Rothmeyer. Catherine John Ramuson. Jonathan Richard Kroll. Now we will recognize chemical engineering. Austin Wolf. We will recognize civil engineering. Connor Kroc. Kristen Mary Sawyer. Joseph George Hausfeld. Zachary Pannell.
Majors out of order.
Oh. We will recognize electrical engineering. One person. Warren Bower. We will recognize civil engineering. Sorry. Ivan Enquist. Jared Bahrut. Lakzakari Wellman, Christopher Lipford, Diego Miguel Pizarro, Lucio Anes Velarda, Emmanuel Lado Camis Samuel, Victor Akvio Jr. Epi, Chaudhry Hassan Rasul, Matheson Harris, Paige Hufford, Marshall Lynn Joshua Fifth, Emma Michelle Lewis, Andrew Mahan, Catherine Rose Simmons, Meredith Dumler, Zach Howard, George Kagiri Keyuna, Trong Minwoo, Connor Williams, John Buckin, George Michel Janssen, Blake Walker, Lily Tallman, Annie Wirth, Grace Ewell, Aptur Burks, Leo Erwin, Hannah Jane Steen, Sarah Mary Hogan, Emma Joyce Elsman, Jared Antuano, Trevor Benjamin Olson, we will recognize computer science. Thomas Atkins, we are done. Okay. Now, Associate Dean Medina will continue with the electrical engineering and computer science.
Robert Newman, Zachary Michael DeLong, Caitlin Lorraine Blackburn. Now, computer science. Sean Cunningham, Joshua Allen Berkeley, Javier Barea Lara, Elena Zavala Ferreira, Lucas Breckenridge Roland, Alicia Zavala Ferreira, Rodrigo Figueroa Justiniano, Kide Widman, Tristan Gunt, Edwin Recinos, Amanda Nelson, Kiran Bisaria, Aaron Taylor, Logan Michaels, Jared Nathaniel Zelif, Jianpeng Li, Evan Powell. Luke August Beasley. Michael Timothy Collins. Kerr Salabao. Natahi Nina Bunjai City. Sandy Urasayev. Barter Grant Harrow. Ellen Renee Vandewater. Marco Edgar Borth. James Joseph Krychek. Reese Matthews. Rafael Alaras. Jacob Aaron McNamee. Dawson Tier Rooney. Daniel Johnson. Ross Hugo Copeland. Christopher Ariagno. Grant Henry. Jonathan M. Downs. Andrew Thomas Gould. Ferris Elathar. Mohammed Atif Siddiqui. Deepak Kumar. Grant Keebler. Joshua Bull. Ryan Voice. Dawson Cabler. Ethan Grant. Garrett Lee Mills. Kitao Weng. Abigayan Saxena. Joshua Haxton. Tucker Winky. Alec Horlick Mills. Tyler Rains. Peyton Doherty. Hunter Allen Glass. Liam Michael Connolly. Caton Joan Freschel. Celia Josephine Babst. Hong Wen. Anthony Gao. Darren Turnage. Alex Reeves. Atshut Paudel. Jack Lunsford. Drake Hunter Preble. Malena Shiney. Victorina Joy Santos. Than Bing Le. Lin Nat Nguyen. Priyal Harshad Chauhan. Abdul Aziz Diallo. Jian Ho Brian Cheung. Huanshan Zhang. Zidong Zhang. Karen Sitiawan. Xiaoyi Lu. Electrical Engineering. Elijah David Kleehammer. Brett Florak. Nicholas Cole Siebers. Luke Torgeson. Matthew Bushka. Grant Blodgett. James Bond. Bennett Paul Vevak.
Please try to read my full name.
Yes. Mohanad Ahmed Hosan Zakaria Mohammed Mohammed. Alfred Joseph Fontes. Henry Sevaston. Casey Glenn. Paul Negado. Kevin Nguyen. Jennifer Elizabeth Quirk. Christina Haas. Interdisciplinary Computing. Miriam Madrid. Joseph Young. Chloe Thornton. Charles Sebastian Ware. Christian Harris. Information Technology. Nicholas Grant McDonald. Justin Trong. Tanishka Shah. Jonelle D. Gamble. Engineering Physics. Jack House. Wyatt Roy Webb. Sandhya Ravi Kumar. Colin Sherman. Catherine Beach. Kaylee Mitchell. Mechanical Engineering. Emily Lucas. Blake William Parrott. Cameron Clinton Schultz. Austin T. Ogren. Cameron Feisenmeyer. Carl Brunner. Tyler Backman. Samuel Scott Lindemann. Emma Bartelson. Matthew Eric Nervais. Jared Hicks. Parker Gay. Zachary Taylor. Jason McLean Merkins. Benjamin Beltran. Bryce Simpson. Gustav Mies IV. Zachary Scott Adams. Graham T. Colombo. Matthew Raymond O'Donnell. Quentin Christopher Gerald. Ethan Eichberger. Mitchell Hyman. Brett Phillips. Calvin Bowman. Parker Gordon. Imad Sayer Jerami. Margot Stokebrand. Lori Marie Eckhart. Christine Lust. Caitlin Nicole Witt. Dareen Sayad Isa. Blaze Patrick Bell. Zachary Cole Lindemann. Brandon Dean Nyman. Hannah Bell Chrisman. Lauren E. Jones. Catherine Eileen DeHamers. Nai Cárdenas Durán. Malek Ben Ayed. Malek El Luz. Peyton Gibson Chandler. Grady Reese Jacobs. Zachary Geske. Faris Ali El Saleh. Moisés Ricardo Rangel. Ricardo Sebastián Carrizosa Ortiz. Dylan Knox Halslam. Austin Mispagel. Chase Allen Kaufman. Colin Reith. Maverick T. Edwards. Michael Carradine. Thomas Wood. Luke W. Wilson. Duncan Thomas Bosserman. Jared Hutton. Alexandra Marie Estes. Sandra Morzonza. Vanan Ho. Please join me in a round of applause for the School of Engineering class of 2022.
Congratulations, everyone! Woo! I hope you all join us at the reception following the conclusion of our ceremony at Leap 2 at the Engineering Courtyard. Graduates, we will soon recess out of Fieldhouse with another milestone completed. Guests, we appreciate staying you in your seats until faculty have left the arena, and then please join your students outside of Allen Fieldhouse. Before we go, please join me in singing the first verse of Crimson and the Blue. Far, far above the Golden Valley. Where's the music? Oh, okay. Above the Golden Valley, glorious stands an alma mater, bowered Congratulations! K.U. Rock Chalk. K.U. Hit it. Rock Chalk, Jacob, Rock Chalk, you. Rock Chalk, K.U. Woo! Congratulations. Woo! Yes, the faculty will be leaving. Please stay in your seats until the faculty have left and reconvene with your students outside the Allen Fieldhouse. Thank you.